Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial and video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make these nice slipper socks, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to make it. So before we go any further with the tutorial, I'm gonna explain to you the steps on how to achieve it. It's very easy. You can just follow the instruction and you'll be able to make it. So this slipper is a size small to medium, 38, 39. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, you'll have to adjust it from the flat circle, which we will start with, and then from the heel as well. So how I started this, we start as always, if you've done slippers before, with a flat circle. I have made here a flat circle with 5 rounds for the medium size, and then I worked in rounds for around 20 rounds more, just normal single crochet in every stitch till I reach the heel. So it depends on the size you want, but for here I made 20, as I said. 5 rounds of flat circle, then 20 rounds of single crochet. Then for the heel I left 4 stitches on top unworked, and I worked back and forth single crochet for 12 rows, so until the back of the heel, where again I stitch from the inside, I slip stitch to close the slippers. Then I fasten off. This is the first step. Later on I join the yarn and I single crochet around the opening of the slippers for 9 rounds. So you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, it depends on you. So these are 9 rounds of normal single crochet only, and this is how I obtained the slipper socks. So now I'm going to show you next how to achieve its step. Stay tuned. So for this I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. If you want a tight stitch, you can use a smaller hook, up to 4mm crochet hook, or you can use 5 or 5.5. For me, I'm using 5mm crochet hook. So we'll start working the flat circle with a slip knot. I will chain 2. Five single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I will join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. This is the first round. Second round, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Don't forget to check the written pattern, it'll be detailed with all the rounds. So slip stitch to the first stitch, second round. So the pattern will have all the rounds explained, so you don't make a mistake. It'll be linked in the description box. Round 3, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and I will repeat till the end of the round. 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next stitch. This is to keep the circle flat. So the last stitch is a single crochet and join. This is third round. So now fourth round, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and we repeat 2 in 1 stitch, 1 in the next 2 stitches. We will finish with 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. And join. So the 5th row, two single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So you see, in every round we increase the single crochet in a stitch by 1 to keep the circle flat. 2 single crochet in the following stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And join. So I have finished 5 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'll do now, I'm gonna place a stitch marker. So the purpose of this stitch marker is because I'm gonna work in spiral, means I'm not gonna close in every round. So this will help me to know where I'm gonna stop in each round to finish 20 rounds. So now I'm gonna make from this round till around 20. So I will count 1, 2, 3 till 20, not from the beginning, from this point. So straight into the next stitch, single crochet, no chaining 1, for 20 rounds. Or for whichever number you need to stop at the beginning of the heel. If you want to make a personal measure, you need to make as many rounds until the beginning of the heel of whoever is gonna wear the slippers, because we'll change the way we work later on. And this is what I mean by knowing where every round starts. So here I have finished 20 rows from the stitch marker, and now I'm gonna show you the next step, making the heel. So I'm gonna chain 1 and turn my work, and I'm gonna single crochet back here. I'm gonna leave 4 stitches unworked. So I'll count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be my last stitch worked. So single crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, the last one, and again back and forth, chain 1, turn, and work a single crochet. I will do this for a total of 10 rounds. You see the opening here of the slipper. So 10 rounds, and then we will see how to stitch the slipper as the first step ends. So here I have finished 10 rounds, and then I'm gonna show you now how to slip stitch the slipper. So this is the outer side. I'm gonna reverse these two sides and I'm gonna join them together. So ensure the stitches are facing one another. Okay, so insert the hook, slip stitch to join, and make sure the stitches are facing one another correctly, like this. I'll go to the next one and slip stitch as well. Oops. Like so. And the last one, and fasten off. So first step complete. I'm gonna hide my thread later on, and this is the slipper, how it is so far. Now we'll go on to the next step where I'll make the sock from here. So with the same yarn, I'm gonna join it to any stitch. So insert the hook and pull the yarn, tighten the loose thread, chain one, single crochet in the same joined stitch, and single crochet in every space and stitch. Again, we're gonna be working in spiral. And I'm not gonna join to the first, I'm gonna continue single crochet only for 9 to 10 rounds. So just to show you how it looks initially, like this. And I'm gonna continue. I'll show you once everything is done how it looks like. So I'm finishing the last 3 stitches and I'm gonna fasten off. And just slip stitch and cut. I'm gonna hide the thread, and my slipper is completed. Slipper sock. It's very nice to wear, very cozy. You can make it longer if you want for more warmth, and simple, ready for winter. Oops. Continue. And this is how it is. and this is the other pair. So these are the slipper socks completed. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. The written pattern will be linked in the description box for more details. Bye bye!